Give me, oh, fork, thank you. Spoon, thanks. That's a big spoon. 3 forks. Oh my goodness. Ooh, that one dropped. Oh well. It's fine. Either one. Fork. Thank you. Baby spoon, thanks. Fork. Oh, I'm sorry. That was my fault. Didn't get a hold of it. Shelby, don't throw it on the floor. Can you hand it to Mommy? Thank you.
It's like if you don't get it on the upswing, it's done.
Thank you, fork.
Struggling a little. Struggling.
Oh, it's standing like a big girl. Good job, baby. Spoon, thanks. That one's tricky. Okay, there you go. Fork, thanks. Oh, measuring spoons. Thank you, Shelby. Good, Shelby. Shelby. Hand it to Mommy. Don't throw it on the floor. Thank you. Last one. Can you give Mommy the fork? Thank you, sweetie. Well done.
Going for the plates.
Thank you, baby. Oh,
Two at a time. Two at a time.
thank you. Oh, thank you, Shelby. Tiny big thanks. These are unbreakable. Thank